Hello everyone, my name is Tarunav. I am the director of TD Film Studio, and today I am back with another tutorial and walkthrough video. And today I am going to test a tool called Qwary, which is a very fast and easy way to create surveys and feedback forms for your customers and clients. And you can just send it by mail, you can embed it on your website, or you can host it directly via the software, which is Qwary. And your customers can give their feedbacks, they can answer questions, multiple choice answers, and you will encourage them to interact better, to open up, to express themselves, and to, communicate their issues, their concerns, their doubts, their queries. This is a very good way of building a good relationship with your clients and customers. So let's dive in. So you have the option to start building a form from ground zero or from scratch. But if you are not a pro or you do not have experience in this field, then you can always use the ready-made templates that are available within Qwary. If you do not do research or you are not well acquainted with, the structure of how to design a form or a feedback survey, this is very good starting point. As for me, I am not that much of an expert in this field. So these ready-made templates will definitely help for me to kickstart my, survey campaign. And there are so many well-designed and developed templates that are readily available within Qwary that you can easily tweak and modify to use for your own niche or category. I think I will start with this one, education. So I've been wanting to do a survey regarding my upcoming acting class and workshop, and I wanted to find out what aspiring actors or those who are passionate about acting are expecting from an acting class. And as per their feedback and on the basis of their opinions, I want to improve my upcoming acting workshop. I want my class to be a solution for all these actors so that they get prepared for the big stage, which is a film role or a TV serial role or a web series lead character. When I saw Qwary, I realized that this might be the answer. So let me try and build a detailed survey feedback form using this tool. So I will start with this ready-made template available in the education category, and the moment I click on it, I see a preview of the template and how it will look in various devices. Like you have this desktop view and how it will look on the tablet and on the mobile phone. Nowadays, of course, mobile phone users are a majority. This is a preview of the start screen, and I will click on use this template. And after that, we reach the builder section, where on the left hand side you can see the editor, where each page or slide can be edited, and also the elements residing within each page can be edited and modified. And it's very similar to a website designer or builder if you have used one. And you don't need to know coding or the technical complications. This is very easy to use. The first module on the left hand side is compose, and as you can see, the first element is the welcome screen or the starting page, which you can edit. So this is where the survey starts. I can customize everything on my own by uploading my image, my video, or I can even record a video, or you can upload a file. For now, I won't do it. I won't consume much time, but the option is there. And besides that, you can also customize the main button and the text. So in this manner, we can modify and improvise each and every element. There is also a ready-made blocks section where you can select from various ready-made design layouts for your opening page. And you can also customize the background as well as the colors and the font. So this is very helpful. And I think I will go with something like this one. Yeah, this one looks better. And I will put in a title which is like survey to find out what actors expect from man acting class. We have a few questions about your overall expectations and what you intend to achieve by joining TD Film Studios Onscreen Acting Workshop, which is the name of our acting class. So this is my effort to reach out to the aspiring actors and know from them what I am lacking or what I can incorporate and improvise in my already existing acting workshop class. So besides this, you can upload your own image or video, or you can select from the ready-made stock photos collection that Qwary has inbuilt, and you have two large libraries of Unsplash and Pixabay. So you can just type in your keyword and select the image you want, and these libraries are free and also saves time. And let me see. So as you can see, I have selected and uploaded the image, and I can now align it or reposition it as per my design layout requirement. Okay, lots of options. I will just fast forward while I complete this. So this is my welcome page. Okay, now I am done and we will proceed further. To begin with, I will start with the compose module, and inside this I will select the multiple choice answers type of survey. There are other types of survey also that I will discuss later. So anyways, I will now proceed with the multiple choice type of survey, and in this type we have various slides or pages, and in each of these we have these questions and multiple choice answers. So the user just have to select one of these answers and keep proceeding. And in the bottom we can see that it is showing how much percentage of the survey is being completed. We have the branding of Qwary, which we can remove. Now going into the detail of this questionnaire. Okay, so within this multiple choice module, we have the option of typing in the main question, and then beneath that we have the description, which we can add if we want to, and there also we can give a hint as to the way to proceed with the answers. We can also give some specific instructions regarding our question or the selection of answers, and we can of course add our own customized image and videos. And beneath that we have the choice to edit and input individually each and every multiple choice answers, and we can keep on adding more answers or more choices with the button add choice. And beneath that we also have the option to add our own customized space for the viewers to input their own questions or their own specific answer or some additional information if they wish to. And as you can see here, I have already prepared a list of questions and multiple choice answers, and I will import each of these questions and multiple choice answers one by one. I will copy paste them into my survey input category and build a form step by step. I think I will publish it in case, just to make sure that I do not lose this data. Now I will proceed with copying and pasting each of the multiple choice answers and bringing them into Qwary and pasting them and gradually build my survey form. So I will just fast forward while I do this. Okay, so I'm now done with the 3 questions, and I will just delete the extra ones that are not needed. If I allow multiple answers, then users can of course select more than one answer, and in this case I will allow it because there might be, out of these 3 answers, users might prefer selecting more than one. Okay, so we are done with the first question. In a similar fashion, we can fill up all these other questions and multiple choice answers. So I will just do that and we will fast forward. And now moving on, besides the option to create questions and multiple choice answers, you can create other types of modules also, like we can see the satisfaction score. So you can rate from extremely dissatisfied to extremely satisfied. So here I can type like how satisfied are you with the acting, with the opportunities available for actors in Guwahati city. And the next option is like, wow, there are lots of options here. I mean, you can just go on and on, but I think I will finish up this survey form. Let's say a comment box at the end of the survey. So I will provide a space for the user to add any feedback at the end of the survey or upon completion of the survey. Okay, so at the end of the survey, I think I will add a thank you page. So I will type in, thank you for taking time out to complete the survey. Your feedback will help us improve our acting classes in the future. Yeah, so I am previewing this survey, how it will look. And as you can see, the options will be displayed in a very beautiful manner, presentable manner. It looks professional. Okay, now moving on, the next module is called logic, and in this you can design the workflow after a user completes filling up the survey form, and you can send the user automatically to Gmail, for example, or you can trigger certain actions to take place once certain steps are completed. So this includes integration with automation tools like Zapier, Integrately or Public Connect. So these are a little advanced use cases, but even if you do not know or you are not comfortable with these steps, you can still take full advantage of the Qwary tool to make beautiful survey forms. Okay, moving on to the next section, it is the translation settings module. Out here you can select like multiple languages that Qwary tool will automatically translate the survey form into. For instance, if I select Bengali and I click on the translate button, then it starts translating automatically the whole form into that language, and you can easily target specific regions, locations and language. And being an Indian, I can like select Hindi and it translates the whole form into that language. This is super helpful, and it helps establish better connection with your target users, clients and customers. Okay, anyways, moving on. In these settings, I can like control showing or hiding the question numbers progress bar, asterisk, disabling the scroll, hiding the query branding, or customizing the submit button text, and so on. There are other settings also, like the responsive settings and the advanced settings that I won't go into the detail of. You can explore on your own when you try out the tool, but these are definitely helpful in creating and developing your survey form. And the last but not the least option is the notification settings. And out here I can like create a automatic response from my end whenever some user completes the survey, and I can also control and deliver an automatic reply to be generated when the survey is completed and the user clicks on the submit button. After completing all these steps, you can proceed to the distribute section, where you have the option to copy the link of the form, and you can share it in social media, directly in email. And once the user clicks on that link, they can be directly sent to the survey form, and that survey form can be hosted right here inside Qwary tool. You don't need a separate web hosting. But if you do have a website of your own, you can embed the survey, you can get the HTML code, and if you do not know coding, you can like design it here. It can be a pop-up that comes up when somebody goes to your website or to a particular page, and it can be full screen like in your website. So basically there are so many options as to how your link and form will be displayed and shared in public. Okay, now moving on, the next section is the analyze settings, and in here you can get an overview of the total number of clicks done by your target users, in which device they had accessed the survey form, and how many times they have viewed it, and how many have completed the form, and how much percentage of it they have completed, or maybe some users have left it halfway. So all these you can see here in this analytics dashboard. And as you have seen, Qwary tool is very much capable of advanced features and functionalities, and I haven't dived deeper because that will consume lots of time and viewers might get bored. So I hope I have been able to throw light on how to use this tool to your advantage to create surveys, and it's a very good way to identify, to become aware of what your user base or target audience or clients or customers are expecting, what their requirements are, and where you are falling short in your business or while providing your service. So this tool is very powerful, and you can dive deep into designing very beautiful looking forms. My build up was very basic, but of course you can customize it with your own design, brand, logos and stuff. Like in the contact section you can see all the leads collected, and then you can build on those relationships and build a network community, and also reach out to your existing community of users and try to understand them better, and they will definitely appreciate that. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to press on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Press on the notification bell for more updates, more info in the future, and hopefully I will come back with a new tutorial or new video very soon. Thank you.